Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. It's actually Sunday, and let's see what's really happening next week. Let's see what is going to happen next week on the economic calendar. Actually, we don't really have much. I can see that Monday there is nothing. I don't know if maybe it's a holiday or not. Tuesday there is nothing. On Wednesday, 4:15, Chair Powell is going to speak. Thursday we have unemployment claims or jobless claims, and he still is going to speak around that time. And on Friday we have consumer sentiment. So actually this week we don't really have much. We don't really actually have enough economic news. So which is going to be okay, which means the market will actually just react very slower. So guys, if you want to learn, I think the best way on the mentorship side, if you want to learn at your own time, we actually have a Patreon account, so you can just search Xtrahot Forex or Xtrahot FX. You can see. Then I think you can get that. Even on the link description, you will find actually the link to my Patreon account. Or if you want to just support the channel. So let's go straight very quick. You can see that we have these exclusive videos for anyone who actually who want to learn trading mindset. It's actually some full course that you can actually learn at your own time. Risk management, all those things, right? So let's go straight to the chart. Or before I continue, don't forget that we have the special. That $19 special is still actually on, guys. It's still actually on. You can see there the normal prices, but actually we are actually, as you know, we have $19 special. $19 special. If you are in Mzansi or South Africa, let's say that amount is actually 360. You can scan the QR code. Yes, then you can just talk to me. So let's go straight to the chart. You know what? I forgot to buy my mouse battery, so I'm using the trackpad, which I don't really use that much. So bear with me if maybe things are quite slower. So what's really happening on a DXY? We saw DXY go pushing lower after NFP, because NFP was actually quite bad. It was not really that positive. So that automatically pushed the dollar to push a little bit to the lower side, which is a good thing, because now it gives us other chances to do what, to actually buy, to able to buy other pairs like Nasdaq, gold, and the other ones. So as you know, I've been repeating about this. The market has been pushing up for quite some time. Now I like the fact that the market just broke out of that support, which means now the market is ready to change the trend. The market might start to do what? To push to the lower side, and we call that actually a downtrend. So let's hope that the market is going to actually continue with that. I will try to be as quick as possible, guys. I'm not actually used to this trackpad thing. I use it, but not really that much. So what's really happening on GBP, JPY, you can see that the market just broke out. If you still remember, I've been talking about this downtrend for quite some time now, and guess what? The market actually just broke out. If you still remember, we said maybe the market was about to retest this area so that we can actually buy, but the market was just playing around this resistance. We did not really do anything much there. So because we also had this area, but this was not really a problem. The problem was this one. I said if maybe the market goes beyond that area, we can actually look forward for a nice buy. And it seems like the market is now continuing, which means the market is actually trying to do it, to change the trend. The trend previously, it was actually pushing lower. now, which means the market will be doing what? The market will be trying to push the upside, and that we're going to get on that. Actually, is still very fresh. We might have a nice reversal, then we can actually jump on that. For now, we can just relax. We can actually just relax. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is actually GBPUSD. GBPUSD also gave us some very nice move, which we did not really jump onto. God bless. Sorry guys about that. So now we are actually on GBP USD. The market actually still on that downtrend. I've been explaining that for quite some time. So what's really happening is we did have this wedge structure here, and we were waiting for a breakout. Guess what? The thing is, the market just broke out that time of NFP, and then the market started to fly. So our job here is quite straightforward. As we know, trends will last a very long time, guys. The trends are going to last for a very long time. So I won't say I missed this opportunity. No, the opportunity is still coming. Maybe by Monday, which is tomorrow, we might see the market reversing, and we will get on that trade. So we can start to actually scale up on that uptrend, because now we're gonna have a very nice uptrend, or still a new trend. If we get in early, that might be a very good thing. But the best thing is to let's try to wait for the market, and let it do its thing. Let the market do its thing, guys, because there is a chance for the market to do what? To continue with that trend. So besides that, there is nothing much we can do. The market is already high. We can't say we buy, but with the structure, already the market just got out of this downtrend. Now we are actually looking for a nice bullish momentum. A nice bullish momentum, guys. So let's push to the next one, which is actually Euro USD. Euro USD was also doing the same thing. Euro USD was also actually pushing to the upside, as the dollar is losing that strength, guys. Dollar is losing that strength. So what's really happening? You can see that yes, the market actually was on a very nice downtrend. The market was actually downtrend, and you can see we had a very nice resistance around that level. But guess what? Now the market is doing what? The market just got out of that trend. Obviously, we are looking for an uptrend. So that NFP actually accelerated some of the structures, because the market was struggling to break this area. So this is actually a good thing for us, because now we can jump on a fresh trend. And mostly when the trend is still fresh, it can if you jump on early, it means you can actually enjoy some profits going further, because we know trends can actually go for more than 3 months or longer. So it means where we are here, we can just wait for a nice retest, and we jump on that, then we continue doing what? Buying. That's why you can be part of the team, guys. If you are in South Africa, it's 360. You pay once, then you're done. If you are in, like, let's say, if you are outside South Africa, that amount is going to be actually $19. $19. Let me know if you want to be part of the team. So what's really happening on gold? Gold is been actually now pushing to the upside, but it is started to get slower a little bit. It's not like the same way it was doing before. Let's see. Yeah, you can see that since we have this uptrend, the market was actually just pushing to the upside. There I had my wedge structure where the market just broke out. But what the best thing that you can see here is the market is actually uptrending. Where we are, the market just reached a resistance level, which the market most likely will respect, and is back on the support. So which means we might still have another push to the upside. What about this resistance? So for us to continue maybe buying above this area, obviously the market has to break that, or maybe the market will just play around, or let's say below this resistance. Once the market breaks out, we will continue with that bullish momentum, but it seems to be a little bit stronger. So but since we are actually on an uptrend, one way or another the market will have to break out of that structure and start to push to the upside. That's what I see. So I don't think maybe there is much here, unless if maybe the market breaks out of this support area. We can say yes, maybe the market will start to look to push to the lower side. But for now, we are actually still on that nice bullish momentum. Let's go straight to US30. What's really happening on US30? The market is still doing its thing. The market is still actually pushing to the upside. What's really happening? We can easily see that yes, the market, let's go back. The market is been actually pushing to the upside, but the structure, it was not really a bullish. It was actually on a very nice downtrend. You can see that the market is been actually showing us this downtrend or this resistant line for quite some time, and I can say the market is actually reached that level now. The market reached that level. So the question is, will the market actually break out of this resistance and start to push the upside, or maybe the market will reverse and push lower? Anything is possible. So the best thing that we can do is to wait for tomorrow and see what will happen tomorrow, because yes, there is a chance of a continuation. Remember, this aggressive push happened even before NFP, and when NFP came on Friday, there was nothing aggressive about the market. So the market was not really, especially US30 and Nasdaq, they were not really happy about NFP. I think they were happy about earnings from Amazon, Microsoft, and the other ones. So what I see here, I can say, let's wait for the market to, you can see we had a structure. From back here, we had a support, resistant, and now we are on another resistant. So which means here, we just waiting for the market whether to break or to respect. If it respect, obviously we're gonna have a very nice sell around that area, and we're gonna continue with that. If not, maybe we'll see the market flying. We will see the market changing the trend, and we can start to jump on that trend. So let's push to the next one, which is actually a Nasdaq 100. And Nasdaq 100 also did not really go crazy because of NFP, but the structure, it was actually quite straightforward. We had a very nice downtrend for quite some time, and now the market is back on this resistance. The question is, will the market respect that or break? We'll have to wait and see, but I think maybe the market might continue pushing lower. And you know what, on Friday, if you still remember, we were actually wrong about NFP. If you still remember, I said I think NFP might go lower. I mean up, it might get stronger, but it was a bit weak, and I was wrong about that. So anyways, what's really happening on Nasdaq? I think the market might actually respect this, but we just have to wait for Monday and Tuesday and see if maybe the market is going to respect or not. If not, it means the market will be trying to change the trend, and we will start to look for those stronger buy positions. Simple as that, because the market will be trying to change the trend. So guys, if you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Here is the special. Remember, it's actually $19. It's actually $19. You can avoid those prices. You can see our prices were already lower. We did try to lower our prices from $250 to $99 lifetime. Guess what? To now actually $19, $19. So if you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Scan the QR code, talk to me, join the team. Remember, it's only for 20 people, and I think there's very few people who joined, actually, maybe 5 or 4. So it means we still have like 15 plus minus 15 there, so you can still be part of the team. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye bye. I'll see you actually tomorrow on the daily updates. Thank you very much. Bye.